Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Tech Tellings. And now today I'm going to show you how you can use Windows 10 settings if you don't know how works and don't know what is. I'm going to show you now. Okay, so we're now on my computer. We're gonna go into settings. Before that, I'm gonna show you how I did this in the background first. So how I did, you gotta go here, and I actually use this program as so my background will be animated. So I'll show you how to get it. So first you gotta go to your browser. You gotta type the name Bionics video wallpaper. Type Bionics video wallpaper. I'm gonna link it in the description so you can get it faster. So here it is. You gotta scroll down all the way, not all the way. Then you click download. And then you'll have this program. Once you have set it up, you'll have this. You can go on the website, like the Fortnite dance GIF, maybe like that. And you can save those images, and then make sure you can pick whatever folder you have. Your video has to go there, so it will automatically know. Okay, since that is done, let's go to Windows settings. So in the Windows settings, there is a search bar. You can search something, and there we got system. System is obviously your computer. So now you're on the display. You can change the color on the display, maybe like Windows HD, and you can do all things. Make sure you have Windows activated for this. So you can change settings all you want. So now we're on the sound. Now as you see, I'm connected to my radio. I'm with Bluetooth, and this is the audio volume just to test the sound. And there's a microphone that I'm using on this video right now. And this is the microphone test. Of course I'm very quiet, but don't worry, I'll edit it louder so you can hear me. And you can click this and you can go in the apps and how loud you want to do your app, like maybe like Skype, if you can lower the sounds. So now we're going in messages and actions. Now you see if this is activated, you'll get a lot of notifications, but you can disable one of these and then you won't get any notification on these anymore. Like you can click this and you won't get any notification on Skype. And yeah, now we're going there. Now on mine is turned off, but you can turn one of these on. So that's it. So now we're going in here. Now it shows you how long, maybe like if it's 10 minutes, then your display is gonna go off. And if it's 2 more minutes, then your computer is going to go in sleep mode. This is the energy on your computer, and mine is on half. But if you're using an old computer, I would recommend going a little longer, if I'm saying that correctly. So onto the saves. You can save one of your data. Now have 1.17 terabytes free. This is my local disk, and it shows what I deleted it, and you can configure one of these. It shows OneDrive and other person's desktop apps and futures. Those are the things that I deleted. I throw it on the bin. And now in tablet modus, I don't have in tablet modus, so if you do have one, I'm gonna show these later on videos. So multitasking, you can go on the virtual desktop. You can change one of these to all desktop or just the desktop you know. And you can turn it off and on if you don't want it, but you can, I think, but if you want you can leave it off, but I think it's good if you leave it on. So we're now in here. Sorry if it's on Germany, but I live there, so, but I'm speaking English, so. Now mine is always deactivated, but my computer did when it changed settings, so I didn't do all these. And yeah, you can leave it on and off. You can change your PC name. Mine is now on that. Now this one. Mine is you can use in-house Bluetooth and VLAN. Now I have USB because my computer doesn't have Bluetooth. But it does have virus, but doesn't have Bluetooth. So yeah, I have a USB one of these. And this one. This is what mine is just off right now, and you can do one of these. You can go here and read some. Now on a remote desktop, this is where you can remote control other PCs. But now I'm using a Windows 10 Home Edition, so this won't work for me. I have to get a other edition like Windows 10 Pro. And this is where your PC info is, but I'm obviously not going to show that. So that's it on the system. Now we're moving on to the device. On the device you can connect Bluetooth. Like I said earlier, I have like a USB Bluetooth, one of these. Now I have connected to AirPods. Somehow it's connected, but I don't know why. But it's okay. And yeah, the VLAN adapter is obviously from the USB. It's on one of these. You can click one of these so you can connect to Bluetooth or displays or Xbox controllers and DLNA and more. Now printer and scanner. You can connect to any printers you want. And I'm using this HP OfficeJet 6700. You can go find some of these, but now it's searching for it, but I'm sure I already have my printer connected. So now you can use your mouse. You can change it to, you can swap. So left mouse button is like when I click left button right now, I'll like do like these. But if I change to the left mouse, then it won't work. It will like do like this, and I have to click right button to do that. So I think it's recommended when you use these because your brain's obviously gonna get confused, and yeah. And you can do one of these. I have it like that somehow. Now we're on a keyboard, something like that. That's what I see. You can like change the keys and languages, something like that. Mine is on Germany settings. And now text and something Windows text ink. You can change the text. Mine text is like this. But if you want, you can add your own text and it'll show up there. And now we're going on to automatic thing. You can put that on, but like I said, the Windows settings did that and left it off. But yeah, that's how it is. So USB, you can either allow some when like USB stick on the computer, then you're allowed, then PCs can allow it. But if you don't want any USB, you can just disable that. Now we're going with a telephone. Telephone, you can put your phone number and connect the phone to your computer. But put your phone number, and it works on Android and phone. So if you have those, you have to put your phone number in. Don't worry, it's not a scam at all. And I think, yeah, that's it. So we're going back. We go on network and internet. So over here, now I'm connecting to a wireless Wi-Fi. And these are adapters. You can change one of these, or if you have a Wi-Fi problem, you can click that and dead noise. Wireless. Wire VLAN. I'm connected to this internet. and you can activate hotspot by going in here, so you can connect to your phones to your computer, and you'll have internet there. Now on the Ethernet, if you don't have wireless, you can use LAN for that. If you have a cable, you need like a yellow cable thing and plug into your computer, and then you have connection. So FPN, this is, you can paste FPN, something like that. These are FPN, so you can allow to go access to internet and like roam around, like go here, just check something if everything is good or not. And airplane mode. You can either activate these when you're in an airplane, but obviously not if you have a computer. Bringing a laptop to the airplane, I would turn that on so your computer will know that you're in the airplane. And you can activate one of these when you're in an airplane. And now in a mobile hotspot, mine is set on wireless. Obviously I have no other options, and I can either connect to the VLAN or Bluetooth, but I use VLAN. This is yeah, and you can activate the remote, but like I said, I'm using a home edition and not pro edition. So this is the data from the internet. Obviously you cannot access to that. And the proxy, obviously it's automatically set it up, so that's it for here. Now we're going to personalization. This is where you can personalize your computer. Make sure you have Windows activated so you can change settings. Now I have this on the background. It's obviously showing just black, but it's just because I'm using this program. Now we're going to colors. You can change colors from your taskbar, like that color. Then it's red, but I like blue. Blue is a good color too. So let's go here. This is, you can change the picture when you're logging out, or just turn your computer and that will show you on the background. It's a really cool feature because you cannot do that on Windows 7. But make sure you have Windows activated to change that, or else I'll show you this or some other pictures. And designs, you can these are Windows designs. This is the picture that Windows saved from the installation. There's something you can change your mouse if you would like to. Now my mouse looks like this. Now this, you can change text on Windows, maybe like this, and how big you want. If you cannot see, you can change that. If you're blind and you can't see well, you can change that. Now the start, you can activate one of these. Yeah, or that's it, yeah. And you go in here. You can move this to make like left, and it'll like show like this, or you can put it down and it'll show like this. But I would put it up because I have like a broken display right here, so I put it up there so I can see it better. So that's it from in the personalization. Now the apps. Your computer will, our laptop PC will show you the apps that you have installed. And yeah, and go here. You can, these are the standard apps. I changed that to Opera because I use this program more than the internet. But if you want, you can like change it to like email. You can like use Gmail as an email, but Windows recommends you using that, and I know it's recommended, so I left it there. So now you can go on offline card, you can go in a location that you are, and it'll show you where you are. Now, apps or websites. Obviously, Twitter is a website. Card is also on a website. You can go over these. You can turn them off if you don't want to, but you don't need to. But only if you want to. Now on a video. Now this is how good it's gonna show the graphics, how good your Windows can record it, and this is how mine it is right now, and it looks beautiful. It looks very HD to me, and if you want to, like, the video will automatically fix the problem like that. Now auto start. You can, so this one of these apps will automatically pop up when I start my computer. So obviously, so I don't have any problems with that, but if you want and it disturbs you a lot, you can disable one of these. So now we're here, so we're going to the accounts. Now this is my account right here, and I am a huge fan of FNAF, but now you can go into Microsoft and you can change Microsoft accounts. You can go email and accounts, and put some other Microsoft accounts on it, and the login options. That's perfect for you if you have a if you have a Windows Hello face scanner thing. I think it's good if you use that. Also, if you have a fingerprint, you can also use that. But Windows strongly recommends you using PIN, then password, and the safety and key. Maybe you can like use the USB, and if Windows detects it, you will be logged in. And the password, that's normal. You can just put your password in, and the picture code. You can put like a picture code in, like you can put any of the pictures you want, and you can put like a code, maybe like a circle or just you know, like that. And the working or school account. You can, if you go to high school or work, you can put your account here, and the family and the users. Right now I'm the administrator here. So yeah, so if you want to add another Microsoft account, you can add it in, but make sure don't add it too much, you know. I think 3 or 4 is enough. And the installation things, you can turn these off if you want. I don't know what. Yeah, you can and just prove it things. Now we're going on to time and I forgot, what was it again? The time and language. There you go. Now it says the time. You can change the time zone if it's not correct, and you can change the time. It'll automatically change the time actually, but you can change it for yourself manually. So this is where I am. I'm obviously gonna roll these because you guys are not allowed to see. But I think we have been doing too much there. How about, so I'm gonna be continuing these later. So this video is taking too long, so I'm gonna do a part 2 of the video. So I'll see you guys later.